Good morning, student. Jai Swami Narayan. Today we start unit number 3 according to G2 syllabus, Cloud Infrastructure and Services, subject code 2180712. We are just need to start the introduction to AWS, in which we cover AWS history, infrastructure, services and ecosystem. Totally weightage of this chapter is at 10% from entire syllabus. Okay, this is Dr. Vijay Kumar Gadwi. Amazon Web Services. Overview, history, AWS services, Amazon EC2, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon EBS, Amazon S3, EMR, RDS, Amazon SimpleDB, Amazon DynamoDB, AWS SDK, and a few AWS competitors and AWS features. कंटेंट जो आप देख रहे हो इसमें यूनिट नंबर 3, 4, 5 एंड 6 4 यूनिट कवर हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओवरऑल वेटेज आप देख सकते हैं. यूनिट नंबर 3 10, यूनिट नंबर 4 15, यूनिट नंबर 5 10 एंड 6 इज ऑल्सो 10. यानी 45% कवर हो रहा है इतने सेशन में. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट इज Amazon Web Services. The white paper definitions according to Amazon Web Services is a collection of remote computing services that together make up a cloud computing platform offered over the internet by Amazon.com. Amazon.com is a service provider. Okay, it can be used for almost anything imaginable. फर्स्ट में कुछ हिस्ट्री पार्ट भी डिस्कस करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Amazon वेब सर्विस INC वो इंटरनेशनल कंपनी है. ठीक है, इज अ सब्सिडरी. द की पीपल, द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ AWS. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन. Andy Jassy. Andy Jassy is a American businessman and the CEO of Amazon Web Services. He is also one of the minority owners of the Seattle Kraken of the National Hockey League. Jassy has led AWS since its inception in 2003. Okay, just basic. The key people of AWS is Andy Jassy, which is a work as a CEO. Mainly AWS Industries is a provider web service and a cloud computing. आप और भी मैं आपको बता दूं कि इसकी रेवेन्यू इन 2020 $46 billion overall revenue, and operating income is $13.5 billion. ठीक है, इसकी सब्सिडरी कंपनीज में हम अन्नपूर्णा लैबोरेटरीज, AWS एलिमेंट्स एंड नाइस इसकी सब्सिडरी कंपनीज है. ठीक है, it is launched, AWS is a launched web services from July 2002, 18 years ago. ठीक है, and cloud services में it's launched in March 2006. That means 15 years ago. Amazon कंपनी वो वेब सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही है फ्रॉम लास्ट 18 साल से, ठीक है, और क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग लास्ट 15 साल से। जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल्स होना वो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, लेटेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, ठीक है। अमेज़ॉन वेब सर्विस इज सब्सिडरी ऑफ अमेज़ॉन प्रोवाइडिंग ऑन डिमांड cloud computing platform and APIs to individuals, companies and government on a metered यानी pay as you go basis. These cloud computing web services provide a variety of basic, abstract, technical infrastructure and distributed computing building blocks and tools. One of these services is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that means EC2, which allows user to have at their disposal a virtual cluster of computers available all the time throughout the internet. AWS version of virtual computers emulates most of the attribute of real computer, including a hardware, central processing units CPUs and graphics processing units for processing, local RAM memory, hard disk, SSD storage, a choice of operating systems, networking and preloaded application software such as web servers, databases and customer relationship management, that means CRM. I just share a fundamental things, the fundamental of AWS services, Amazon Web Services. The AWS technology is implemented at server farm throughout the world and maintained by Amazon subsidiaries. Fees are based on the combination of usage. You are already known as the pay-as-you-go model. Hardware, OS, software, networking features is chosen by the subscriber, require availability, redundancy, security and service option. Subscriber can pay for a single virtual AWS computer, a dedicated physical computer or cluster of either as a part of the subscription agreement. Amazon provides security for subscribers' systems. AWS operates from many global geographical regions, including 6 in North America. Amazon market AWS to subscribers as a way of obtaining a large-scale computing capacity more quickly and cheaply than building an actual physical server farm. All services are built based on usage, but each service measures a usage in varying ways. As of 2017, AWS owns a dominant 33% of all clouds, which is considered in infrastructure and platform, while the next two competitors of Amazon Web Services is a Microsoft and Google have 80% and 9% respectively according to Synergy Group. This is just information and basics of AWS. These three lines in terms of definition are not enough. ठीक है, आप फिर से एक बार रिवीजन कर लेना। हिस्ट्री आई हैव ऑलरेडी told the founded by Jeff Bezos, incorporated as a Cadabra in 1994. Amazon.com is debuts on the web in 1995. It sold only books and growth into new generation in coming years. In 2001, Q4 is the first profitable quarter. Headquarters is settled in WA. Total employees 117300. ठीक है, 1,70,300 एम्प्लॉयज स्टिल वर्किंग. Current Forbes ranking is the 6th innovative companies and 33 in world's most valuable brand. History is originally developed for internal use. Chris Pinkham is the lead designer. He began building it in 2003. In 2005, he offered the technology to limited customers under NDA. His EC2 and S3 launched in 2006. Many new services and regions since then. Direct correlation between launch of AWS and Amazon's growth. History: the cloud services EC2, VPC, RDC and DynamoDB. In terms of quarterly revenue in millions and number of years, you can see the revenue model from 2004 to 11. This is a number of objects in billions, 0 to 900 and number of years. These all charts are shown the performance the quarterly and annually by company. AWS today, the advantages are flexible, cost effective, secure and distinct. The cost of operating, no minimum fees and pay for what you use. Service offered as white paper issues in January 2014. 34 services in 6 primary service areas are computer networking, storage and content delivery network, database, analytics, application service and deployment and management. Service offered in computer and networking: Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, auto-scaling, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon Workspace, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, that means the VPC, Amazon Route 53, Amazon Direct Connect. In storage and content delivery network, we have covered a simple storage service: Amazon S3, Amazon Glacier, Amazon Elastic Block Storage, Amazon Storage Gateway, AWS Import and Export and Amazon CloudFront. In database, is provide Amazon Relational Database Service is called as Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon ElastiCache, Amazon Redshift and Amazon SimpleDB. In analytics, we are use a basic service offered by AWS is Amazon Elastic MapReduce. It's called as Amazon EMR, Amazon Kinesis, AWS Data Pipeline. In application services, is Amazon AppStream, Simple Queue Service, that means SQS, Simple Notification Service, it's SNS, Workflow Service, SWF, Simple Email Service, SES, Amazon Cloud Search, and Amazon Elastic Transcoder. This is service offered by AWS under category of application services. Deployment and management, in which we cover AWS Identity and Access Management IAM, AWS CloudTrail, AWS CloudWatch, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, AWS CloudFormation, AWS OpsWorks, and AWS Cloud HSM. Amazon EC2, ये टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में कवर करेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू, जय स्वामीनारायण।